guys, so I've got a quick special video for you guys today. So I've got a couple of new things to talk about from Modern Mineral. I'm going to try not to get into this too much because I don't want this to be super long, and I'm filming sort of at the end of the day. It was like a quick little last minute thing that we sort of threw together because we wanted to put together a little sale. Modern Minerals is releasing a new blush, as well as we're releasing a second eyeshadow. So first let's talk about the blush. So this is the first blush that we've seen, new blush that we've seen from Modern Minerals in quite a while. And it's a color that you guys know I love in blush especially. I am wearing it today. I'm going to show a little clip of me putting it on though. It's pretty standard putting on blush. My whole face today, except my eyelashes, is actually Modern Minerals. Oh, and my eyebrows. So eyelashes and brows are not Modern Minerals. So I might have to talk to Diane about working on a mascara and an eyebrow product, though I don't know that would happen. But I've got lips, I've got cheeks, foundation, concealer, which is my foundation just with a tighter packed brush, eyeshadow, and highlighter is all Modern Minerals today. So the blush is Happiness, and it's one of these like hot pink, raspberry colors, and as long as you use like a light hand, you can get like a really beautiful color that's not this like shockingly hot pink color. So the other hot pink color that they had previous to this was the Beauty by Brittany collaboration. I think it was Bee of Love. I'm pretty sure it was Bee of Love, or it's Sweet Thing. I always get the name mixed up. It's either Sweet Thing or Bee of Love. I'll have it listed down below, and I'm not actually sure that she even has any. I didn't see it on the website the last time. So this is actually great that she's releasing this color, because the hot pink color category in blush is now non-existent on her website. So this is like a deep raspberry color. You could sheer it out. You could, I used a stippling brush to sheer it out. I meant to bring a different brush in here, but I actually used the Modern Minerals Skunk Brush. I love this. This is what I use to apply my Modern Minerals foundation, and it actually gives really, really beautiful coverage. I'm actually breaking out quite a bit today, and this foundation does a really good job of covering acne and redness and, you know, lots of skin ailments. My skin looks, you know, you wouldn't know it on top of this, that underneath it doesn't look as good as this. So this is the blush. Again, it's Happiness. I absolutely love it. I've used it a few times now. It was in a video that I talked about. Oh, for what video was it? It might have been my Art of Work. No, it was an Art of Organics. Oh, it was I think it was my current skincare. No, what video? I did a video recently where I talked about a new blush, something or other that was coming soon, and it was this. This is what I was talking about. So again, Modern Minerals is releasing the new blush Happiness. It should be on the website the day that I post this. It's going to have to be, because we are running a sale. So the details of this sale, actually. So I told you we're releasing a second eyeshadow. So, so the sale is this. So if you buy a blush and any one brush, you would get a free limited edition eyeshadow. It's only limited edition for now. It is going to be available permanently on the website in the future. I think there's actually going to be a packaging change on the eyeshadow containers, and there's actually very limited, I can't find it, there it is. There's a very limited amount of these old eyeshadow packaging left. So that's why the eyeshadow is limited edition for now until the new packaging is rolled out. So if you buy the blush plus any one brush, they do sell 4 different brushes. I brought them all in here. So there's the Skunk Brush, which is actually what I recommend, because you could use it for your blush, you could use it for foundation. I used it for foundation and blush today, just because I forgot to use a different brush, but it was a stippling brush. It was the same kind of brush. I find that when these hot pink colors, oh, I've got them all in my hand. These like super hot pink blushes actually work really well with a stippling brush, because it's not, you know, super dense, so you can really get a good color payoff, but it's not, you know, it's dispersed enough that it doesn't look, you know, shocking, like clown-like. So she has the Skunk Brush, and then there's 3 different eyeshadow brushes. There is sort of like a pencil blender brush, an eyeliner brush, or you can use it for your brows, and then a fluffier blending brush. So this one's not as dense. This one's more of a dense one. I actually used both of these today. I used this to blend the top part of my eye, and then I used this to blend underneath. And usually with this kind of eye color, I would use a like black eyeliner to sort of define it more, but I actually like this. So anyway, yeah, so if you buy a blush plus any one brush, you will get a new limited edition eyeshadow for free. So if you remember a couple of months ago, I think it was January now, I released my shade Hopeful with Modern Minerals, which is this shade right here. It's like a taupey, plum, like light purple, silver. It's like all sorts of different colors. It's like perfect. It's exactly what I love. But we are releasing a second eyeshadow color, which we are calling Inspire. It was lovingly and jokingly coined Hopeful 2.0 for a while until we figured out what we wanted to name it. But we named it Inspire since it's sort of inspired by Hopeful, because it's in the same color family, if the glare would cooperate with me. But it's a little bit darker, it's a little bit shinier, so it's like Hopeful's cousin inspired by Hopeful. So I'm going to swatch both for you so you can see the color difference. Okay, so here we've got Hopeful. So it's like your lighter, sort of more daytime appropriate shade. And then here we've got Inspire, which is in the same color family, only it's darker. It's got a little bit more of a shine to it, at least in my opinion it does. This one is more sheen. This isn't glitter necessarily, but it's got more shine on it. You can definitely see it on my eye. It's got sort of almost like a dewy, like a wet dewy look. So it's more like nighttime appropriate. It's definitely more of like a nighttime eye, but you can even wear it during the day. I'm actually wearing it, I would say pretty light here, because you can definitely build it up a lot more than this, because I wanted it to be sort of more still for daytime, but it's like a great another one shadow smoky eye eyeshadow, which you know that I love, because I don't like to do a million things to my eyes. I like to put one thing on, I like to smoke it out, and I like it to be done. And I actually love the blush combo with this eyeshadow. It's fantastic. The whole thing just looks really great together. So I might actually love Inspire a little bit more than Hopeful. I mean, Hopeful is special to me because it's my very first creation and my collaboration with Modern Minerals, but I actually think I might like Inspire just a touch more. It's like darker and it's almost like sexier and like smokier. I love it. It's sort of like your nighttime where Hopeful is your daytime. So anyway, so yeah, that's the special we've got going on. So I'm not sure if it's any blush. I need to get confirmation on those before I put this video up, or if it's Happiness specifically. And a brush, you would get Inspire for free. Which is, again, like I said, limited edition right now. It will be available permanently in the future, but because of a packaging thing that they're working on, it won't be available on its own for a little while. So if you want it, pick up a blush, pick up a brush, and you can use my code CrueltyFreeVegan, always saves you 10% on Modern Minerals. So if you loved Hopeful, you're definitely going to love Inspire, because like I said, I'm sort of like super in love with this right now. I love this, the blush combo, I love the eyeshadow. I'm wearing Touch of Blush on my lips as the lip gloss. I think it's the Invigorating lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. It's like my favorite one from Modern Minerals. I wear it all the time. So yeah, that's what I've got going on today. I've got Modern Minerals foundation. Like I said, I got Moonstone as the highlighter. You can see it right there. I've got Happiness as the blush, Touch of Blush, and Inspire. So I actually am pretty obsessed with this, and my hair is like kind of messy, and then like I got the black shirt on, so it's kind of like rocker chick vibes, right? Like I like it. Dark smoky eye. Anyway, so that's what we have for you guys this weekend. It's only going to run until Sunday, so if you want it, don't hesitate, because I don't know when we're going to be bringing Inspire around permanently. Hopefully sooner rather than later, but I know she's working on a new website. And what I also wanted to mention really quickly, she's also working on hair care stuff. So it's not going to be available. I think they're planning summer. I know there have been a few setbacks, so I don't know a for sure date. Diane doesn't even know a for sure date. So I think they're planning summer. Hopefully that actually works out, because these would be great for summer. So yeah, so this is a little limited edition kit. I don't know how many of these she's going to be running. She said she was going to offer some of these, but again, I'm not sure on dates or price or anything like that. And I know that there are more hair care products coming in the future. This is just sort of like the beginning. But we've got a few different things here. We've got a texture mist, which I'm actually going to use to sort of like texturize my hair for tomorrow. Sort of like curl it and like, you know, zhuzh it as you would. We've got the Hydrating Mist, which is actually my favorite product. I love this for sort of like refreshing the hair. You could even use this for like your face and body. It's sort of like a hair and body mist, like a Lotus Way essence. It's like hydrating, but it's like an essence for your skin and your body. Love that. And then there's the dry shampoo, which is also really great. And then there's the styling jelly, which I don't have as much experience with, but I did want to give you guys like a little bit of a sneak peek on what she's been working on and what will hopefully be coming in the next couple of months, because I really love these. They're great. If you love the eyeshadows or her lip glosses with the Lotus Way essences, you will absolutely die for those. They just smell so good and they work really great. They're great hair care products. Like, who knew you'd get great hair care products from a makeup company. So yeah, that's all I've got for this video. Hop on the sale if you want it. I'm also going to post this over on Instagram. But like I said, again, these make a great combo, and you're going to love Inspire because it's beautiful, right? So I will see you guys in my next video.